Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So yesterday I rendered a video. For those who've been following my little trades and videos and stuff, I've been having issues with my video recorder. So yesterday was a prime example of that. That one happened to be able to post, but as you can see, it's not centered into the frame. So I don't know what happened with that, but it does show the results of the day. So, you will see that towards the end of the video. So all I could do is just keep trying to get it right. I'm not a professional. I'm just trying to document my journey as far as day trading. So just bear with me, hang in there, and I will post the results. Whether I win or lose, I'm going to post it, because I don't want people thinking that they're all winners, because that's not true. If you get with somebody that's showing you all winners, they're not showing you the truth of day trading. So that's my goal. And so like I said, today's another day. Yesterday was a good day. Let's try to be consistent. I'm not a professional. I just want to be a consistent trader and grow and learn and do the best that I can do, okay, and be the best that I can be. And hopefully I can inspire you guys to want to become day traders, okay? So hang in there, and be right back, okay? So I just want to show you guys what happened real quick on this chart here. I took a false signal right here to go short, and then it turned on me right away, and that's when I jumped back in because I had lost 500, jumped back in, and then made that 500 back. That's why I'm still at 525. Okay, so just wanted to point that out to you. Be right back. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to call it a day. It's moving kind of slow today. Let me bring over my trade performance for the day. I did pretty good. This is across 4 accounts. So roughly, let me bring this one down here. So this is what it's looking like across my 4 accounts. All right, so I did about 8 here, 912, 837, and 937.50 here. So, and these are all different. I have a trade copy here, but these are all different because of slippage. So, I'll take it. It was a good day. Good, strong 2 days. Like I said, yesterday's video didn't, I don't know what happened with it, but it just didn't center. So let's hope this video today does well, and see you next week. Okay, thanks for hanging out. Talk to you later. Bye for now.